Welcome. In this quick update, I'll show how to allow forwarded messages to link back to your Telegram account. This feature is useful if you want people to easily find your profile when your messages are shared in other chats. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the three horizontal lines in the top corner or your profile picture. Tap on it to open the menu. Next, go to Settings. This is where you manage everything related to your account, privacy, and preferences. Inside Settings, tap on Privacy and Security. This section controls who can see your information and how your account interacts with others. Now look for the option called Forwarded Messages and tap on it. This is the setting that decides whether your name is linked when someone forwards your messages. Here, you'll see different options. To allow your account to be linked, choose Everybody. This means that whenever someone forwards your message, others can tap your name and visit your profile directly. After selecting Everybody, make sure the setting is applied. Once done, your changes are saved automatically, and your forwarded messages will now include a link to your account. This is especially helpful if you're trying to grow your presence on Telegram or make it easier for others to connect with you through shared content. And that's it. You've successfully enabled forwarded message linking on your Telegram account.